Hello and welcome to another update video about oil. We start with Brent Crude and then we go to WTI. The market so far shows a reaction to our support area here that we put onto the chart for a wave 4. Support was at $82.50 and just above that we've had a reaction and the market is trying to push higher. This is a scenario in which we had a lasting low, or we put a lasting low in place in May. And so far the price moved up in 3 waves. This could be a 4th wave and a 5th wave is still to come. And this 5th wave could first of all get to around about $100. Yeah? We have structural resistance there, but also Fibonacci resistance points towards that range. For example, what we can do, take the length of waves 1 through 3, go to the low, and here the 61.8 extension level, which is one common target for a 5th wave, points to $100. It can of course always extend a little higher if it needs to. So yeah, this is the main scenario, and I would go with this one as long as we are holding the last swing low, which was here at $83.40. So looking at a sub-wave structure, this could be a wave 1, this could be a wave 2. We're basically now moving up in a 3rd wave of the 5th wave and so on. It should subdivide like this in a more bullish interpretation. Alternatively, it could be that all of wave 1 is already finished. Not entirely clear. I don't prefer that, but it's possible. And then we would already be now in a wave 2. But this is a scenario I would only be watching for if the price breaks indeed below that $83.40 level. In that case, the wave 1 was likely already in and we're going to track wave 2 support, which would be a little lower. But there's no point really putting that onto the chart now because we haven't got a confirmed top in place. But it would unfold as follows. So the move down then would have been an A wave. Yeah, the move up a B wave, which could be finished at any time, and then a C wave to the downside, which should take it below $83.40. So resistance for that more bearish scenario. Overall still bullish, but generally bearish. So resistance is here between $89.50 and $93.17, which tells us that a break above $93.17 would shift probabilities further into the direction of the more direct pathway to the upside. But either way, even if there is one more high, the current perspective is that we are close to a high. Yeah, most of that rally is likely already done. So either we come down now for the wave 2 correction or after the next high. I think that tells you that most of the move is already done anyway. Looking at WTI situation, very, very similar. Potentially only 3 waves up. That's the current perspective. Also potentially only 3 waves down. So I count that as wave 4 because we're holding bullish support. And similar to Brent Crude, we could now be in a 5th wave to the upside, targeting also roughly $100 next. But I only see this as very likely as long as we're holding the last swing low here at $81.50. Because if that level breaks, then we have a similar situation to what I showed you on the Brent Crude chart, which would be that we're coming down in this A wave, B wave, C wave, and would then reset a little lower. What is resistance here? So we always need to know, okay, what is sort of the 78.6 retracement level in a situation like this, which if it breaks, would to the upside, would shift probabilities further towards further direct upside. And that's at $91.96. So if we break above $91.96, let's call it $92, we should get that 5th wave to the upside to $100. It has to be a sustained break. However, and then if we are already now coming down in a wave 2 correction here on the WTI chart, support is down there at $69. So a break below 69 will unlock a much more bearish scenario. And if we talk about Brent Crude, yeah, maybe we should put it on the chart at least just to show you what is here the price difference. So bullish support here would be at $76.14. So bottom line is we're tracking an overall bullish scenario. Yes, we could get one more high before we start the wave 2, but maybe the wave 2 has already started. The relevant levels that we're tracking, they will tell us very shortly which one it is. And yeah, support, we can define support as soon as we have some clarity. And yeah, that's my update about oil. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And a few weeks ago, we launched our stocks and S&P 500 service. If you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500, video updates and written updates, as well as several stocks and shares, then yeah, check out the link in the description. And have a great day and enjoy the rest of your week. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.